There we go. I kind of like this angle. It's not bad. I'm gonna go grab some coffee. I'll be right back in a second. 1 second. Oh my gosh. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. Today I'm actually drinking chilled coffee. But what is going on? Welcome back to another episode of Coffee and Chills. My name is Give Him Chills, aka Nash, and today we're going to be taking a look at another microphone that I'm holding right here. This microphone this time is from Maono. This is the Maono AU-PM461TR. And guess what? This bad boy sells for only $30. Yes, you heard it right. This microphone is currently selling at $30 from Amazon. That's where I bought it from. I'm really excited to take a look at it. It does connect via normal USB, which is USB 3.0 or 2.0. I'm not actually sure. But it works with Windows and with Mac, which is really cool. At the same time, this might be the cheapest microphone we've ever reviewed. So it's kind of crazy. And this is the first video that I'm standing. So Happy New Year. Cheers to 2021. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to invite you to subscribe. Hit that like button and join our community on Discord or on Twitch. We are live on all those places. Also, if you guys didn't know, I do videos on TikTok as well. Some tech videos, some fun videos, some goofy stuff. But yeah, if you guys want to join me on all platforms, I'll leave all those links down below in the description. You're welcome to join me. Other than that, let's unbox this Maono microphone, test the audio on it, and see if it's any good. This is the first video that you guys can actually hear me at the same time as I'm unboxing. Alright, what do we get in the box? Get a happy card. That's always good. Get a guide. Some guidance on how to do stuff on Windows, how to do stuff on the microphone itself, how to install it and stuff. You get a foam to cover the microphone. USB type 2 to just normal USB interface. A mount. And of course, the microphone. This part right here unscrews. And then you can plug into this thing. It does feel a little bit cheap, the material. Like it's not very solid. Very cheap plastic. I mean, it is $30 after all. You have a gain knob right here. Gain knob right here. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you can turn it around or you can just sit it. It will sit. So if you need it to sit at a certain angle, it will sit. Okay guys, so right now you're listening to me through the Maono AU-PM461TR. It's a really hard name to pronounce. The microphone is currently right here, if you can see. I am really close to it right now. It's probably really loud. But yeah, the microphone looks really good. One of the few things I noticed about it is it does feel very cheap and very light. The plastic feels very lightweight, and the material that it's made from feels very fragile. So, but those are the main things that I observed right away when I first unboxed it. But yeah, to take a look at, I mean, you have a gain knob in the front right here. Let's go test. Let's go ahead and test the gain knob. So right now the gain is going to down. Gain is down, up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Now it's in the middle. This is the middle. Now we're going all the way up, going all the way up. Now the gain is at 100%. Again, remember this is the gain on the microphone, not on the Windows settings. So, but yeah, I have no filters on the microphone right now. Let's do a couple of tests. Test number 1 is background noise, of course. Background noise test going in 1, 2, 3, and silence. Cool. So that was background noise. I mean, there's not really much noise going on here. Test number 2 is going to be the audio. How does the audio sound on this microphone? Obviously, you've been hearing me through it, but let's do a full sentence so you can listen to exactly all the words I'm going to be saying. Hello, what is going on? My name is Nash. I am currently reviewing this Maono microphone. I like pizza a lot. Pizza is really good for me. Oh, actually, it's really bad for me, but I still eat it because yeah, let's move on. Okay, so that was the audio test. Test number 3 is going to be keyboard test. My keyboard is currently behind the microphone, so we're going to move the microphone in front of my keyboard. We're going to be testing the audio on that and see what it sounds like. All right, test number 3 going on, keyboard test, and test number 3, keyboard test going on in 1, 2, 3, and let's go. Okay, we're gonna be moving the microphone now behind the keyboard, and we're gonna test that. Keyboard test while the microphone is behind the keyboard, going in 1, 2, 3. Cool. So yeah, overall, I mean, the microphone looks really nice. You can see that it rotates really easily. I'm not sure what's the idea behind this, or did I not mount it right or something? But I think like it's meant to be able to rotate like this. Okay, so that is all the things I wanted to test. I'm gonna go ahead, listen to the audio, and I'll give you my opinion in 2 seconds. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just finished listening to the audio on this microphone, and I have to say, I mean, it's $30, right? So for a $30 microphone, it sounds really, really good. One of the few things that I noticed that I don't like a lot about it is the audio is just thin. It's like, it doesn't have a lot of richness in the audio. Like my sound was just very thinned out. I usually have a really deep voice. So the fact that this mic was able to like thin my voice out is just a little iffy to me. But other than that, it sounded really clear. Like you can hear all my pronunciations with, regardless of how hard it is to understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm really not like, I don't have any major disappointments. I mean, the two things that are a little bit, I don't know about is the fact that the plastic and the material just feels very cheap, but that's very expected when you're looking at a $30 microphone. Number 2 is basically the audio was a little bit flat for me personally, but other than that, the audio did sound really good. It was clear. I was able to understand everything. The background noise was very light. One of the few things that you need to keep in mind when you're buying a microphone like this is that the microphone like this, you're going to have to keep it near your mouth when you're talking. Like for example, now I have to put it near me because if I put it down on my desk, you will be able barely to hear me, and that's like 2 feet away from me. Right now, we're about like 8 to 10 inches away, and it's perfect distance for this microphone. At least I think it is. Thank you for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't hit that like if you haven't hit that like button, make sure to do so. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. That was the Maono under $30 microphone. I'll leave the link down below in the description. If you want to buy it from Amazon. Thank you for watching this video. Truly appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.